Alright guys, I went ahead and put on the Brembos just on this side. Gonna go ahead and test fit the wheels, make sure they're clear before I go ahead and install everything on the truck. These are big. When they're on the truck they don't look as big, I'd say, but definitely bigger than stock. Alright guys, this is definitely not gonna work. If you look right here, you can't really see, but long story short, it doesn't clear the caliper. I can't even spin the wheel right now. That's how bad it is. See what I can figure out. I'll probably try on a wheel from the Denali. See what we can do to make this work. Alright guys, status update. I tried on one of the wheels off of the Denali. This one right here. As you can see, I took off the wheel. Of course I can't run these, the tires are way too big, but these do clear the brakes. They're already all bolted in. Everything's in there on the hub. And we got maybe like half a finger worth of clearance. So I can't run these till I get new wheels. They do clear the wheel weights, so that's super good. It's just these wheels are gonna have to go. Quite unfortunate because I really like how they look. The rears would clear it for sure. It's just the fronts, they're just so big. Alright guys, I'm gonna hit up some of my contacts, see if there's any wheels I can borrow in the meantime. If not, I'm just gonna put the stock brakes on and just leave these. But yeah, keep you guys updated. What's going on guys? So as you know, we went ahead and test fit the Brembos. They didn't clear our decladded wheels. It doesn't have enough of a pad in the back, so it's like hitting up against the caliper, the Brembos. I need to run a huge spacer to make them work, however I don't want to do that. The Denali's wheels, they ended up working. So then I figured, well, maybe other 20-inch OEM wheels work. So my boy Renee from New Year Coatings came over and brought a 2014 wheel. We tried that on, everything cleared fine. So then I went down the street to my neighbor who actually has a supercharged SS, pretty sweet. And I kind of measured it and I think we should be good with SS wheels. So I ended up buying these. They're OEM SS wheels, they're chrome. They have some like scuffs, some marks. I'm just getting them for the meantime because I want to throw those Brembos on. I don't want to have them in my garage anymore. So we're going to go over to New Year right now. We're actually going to go drop off the Denali, get some work done with Manny, who's behind the camera right now. He would say hi, but you can't see him. And then we're going to go to New Year, get these tires put on those wheels so I can't clear those. And then we're going to go ahead and move straight into the brake install, guys. So let's get this done. Need to get going. We got Manny right there.
Okay, I didn't know you were going to record me.
Who's lemonade.
And Disney Cup.
There's Manny dropping off the Denali to the shop. And now that we did the pit stop, we're going to go over to New Year's. Gotta love Oscar and Sons. And of course I went too high. Alright guys, and now here we are pulling into New Year. Get our tires done. Alright guys, so this is the last time the truck's going to be on declad wheels. I'm going to miss them since they looked pretty good. Once again, we're here on New Year. And we went ahead and unmounted the chrome wheels already. A little bit of damage. This one right here I think is the one that has like a scratch right there. Very light curb rash. This one's all good. 3 of the center caps are OEM. One of them is rep because I guess it fell off from the freeway. The guy I bought this off of actually has a single turbo SS. Getting it sorted out. Maybe I'll try to do a video with him for you guys. Talk to him about it. Said he's down, so let's put him on. What's up, guys? So we just got the wheels installed on the truck last night. And I had to let my buddy borrow the truck because he's going to be moving. The SS wheels look good. I'm going to be installing it in a few days because I'm going to be busy with work. But part 2's coming up. I'm going to try and finish the whole thing, even if I jump into another issue. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much. And we're going to make this work. It's going to be awesome. It's making it 2 parts. I don't want to make the video too long for you. And it's going to be a few days. So I'm just going to give you guys some content for now in the form of part 1. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.